you're in about nature, cha. So
Correct.
and I understood like Shoghi Effendi as an artist,
Yeah.
like he knew that a plant is a growing phenomena.
Yeah.
It's like constant.
Right.
Even after he dies, also it will still grow.
Right.
You know, like a whole mountain is like growth, constant.
Oh, it's like flowering.
Yeah, Michelangelo with like marble.
Yes.
Marble don't grow.
Yes.
Marble is like
Fixed.
But Shoghi Effendi took nature as his medium.
Correct. See what is growing in the mountain.
It's very futuristic.
Fantastic his garden. So you must go.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying like the idea of that.
Yeah, he knew.
To use leaves and plants as his medium is something that I cannot explain how futuristic of an artist he was.
He was far ahead of his time. He ordered special plants.
Yeah, because there is plants today that he planted personally that are still growing.
Yeah.
Still growing, it might be 100, 200 years old like a tree.
Correct. And you will have its seedlings.
A tree can be 300 years old and still there.
No. Like Bob planted an orange tree. They took the seed and planted there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So it's like replicating. The same seed, same.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Read about it. That's a picture.
Bob planted an orange
And
and then they took the seed of that orange and planted in Mount Carmel. Wow. That's so cool.
That means you can see the Bab himself knew nature.
That's crazy.
What do you think was in his mind when he planted that?
It's like constant growth, Cha.
Endless. Endless.
Because it's like undeniable,
Yeah.
inevitable. Nature is where we came from. There are trees that are here today and plants that we not like our generations not even exist yet and it's there.
Correct.
Like a sequoia tree or an oak tree. Big, the trunk.
Yeah, correct.
This
Like
understanding.
a tamarind tree, yeah? Tamarind tree,
Tamarind fruit.
You know the story of this, the Tamil king who fought against the British.
There's a lot
His
of
name is Veerapandiya Kattabomman.
Oh yeah, I've heard about him in Tamil movies.
Wait, let me tell you the story. This was in the 18th century, 17th something. So these British,
Tell me.
charged him for some, because if he was fighting with the British, charged him for something, and then hung him
Okay.
in one of the big tamarind tree,
Oh.
Puliyamaram.
Oh. Oh, Puliyamaram. Tamarind is Assam
Ah.
Java, right? Right, Assam. Tamarind tree, right.
They tied him and so what happened? See this tamarind tree, they live for a long time.
Oh.
So this became like a place for people to come and, adore him. Became like a
little temple.
big center for visiting.
Right.
So finally the tree died, but the trunk is there still. So they made it like a
like a monument.
monument. I wanted to go and see. Couldn't make it in time.
That is so cool. So the tree lasted for like hundreds of years lah.
Yeah. Fantastic story.
I think this whole thing also is also us going back to nature lah.
Yeah.
It's a whole, I would say 360, not even 180, you know. It's a 360 back to the same spot.
Correct. So there are a lot of interesting things you can, think about and see what has happened,
Because like I said, even after I'm gone in the future, there's going to be new seeds.
Of course.
New plants, new things that we can incorporate inside and heal better, cure better, prevent better.
Yeah, definitely.
So we need to like set the foundation, the ground have to be fertile enough to not only grow one plant but multiple species of plants.